Hey everyone, and welcome back. Welcome to the channel. I have a wash to style video for you all. You guys love these. I love them too because I get to showcase some new products, some new techniques. So let's get started on this video. I want to mention that this video is being sponsored by Sally Beauty. I'm working with them because I'm a part of their Sally crew. So let me know what you want to see from me and what you want me to showcase on my channel. So we're gonna hop right in. So I'm starting on dirty hair. You can see my hair has actually shrunken. I'm in Florida heat now and it's humid out here and my hair has shrunken so much. I actually got into the pool, so that's why my hair looks like this, okay? So it needs a good cleansing and a good detangling. So I'm actually gonna first go in with cleansing first. And the reason why I did that is because I knew this shampoo was going to be moisturizing, cleansing, and can help with the tangles. So I'm gonna be using some products from Texture ID today. I'm gonna be picking and choosing what products I want to use from certain lines. They have a lot of lines at Sally Beauty, so definitely head over there and check them out. So this is their dry hair scalp relief exfoliating shampoo and scalp scrub. What's great about this shampoo is that it is made to soothe itchiness caused by dryness, and it can invigorate and refresh your hair and scalp. The directions say to apply to your scalp first, scrub it and massage it in, and then you can work it throughout your strands. So that's what I'm doing right now. What's great about this shampoo is that it has micro-exfoliating crystals, and that's going to actually gently massage your scalp and loosen up that dirt or impurities for a real deeper cleanse. I love that it leaves my scalp refreshed. It soothes any itchiness that I had previously. And did I mention the smell? It smells so good. I love the way this smells. So I'm going to actually cleanse my hair once. That's all I really needed for today, which is awesome. And then I'm going to use this Turban Twisty. I'm going to use my Turban Twist microfiber hair towel just to get any extra water off my strands before going in with my conditioner. And you can see my hair has a ton of movement now. You saw how stiff my hair was in the beginning. It's not stiff anymore. So the next product I'm using is actually from their core line. This is the Triple Moisture Cream Conditioner. And I have actually the big 33-ounce size, which is awesome if I need to pre-detangle, condition, use it as a deep conditioner. I can use it however I like. So I'm going to focus this conditioner on my ends and spread it throughout the whole strands. And if I need a lot, I'm gonna apply a lot, okay? Because usually when it comes to detangling, when it comes to my conditioning steps, I tend to ensure that my hair is saturated completely. No strands left behind. I love the versatility of this conditioner. It has a rich and creamy formula, which is great at hydrating the hair and giving great slip. It does say I can use a wide tooth comb to smooth it through and detangle, and that is what I'm doing here. I love the slip of this product. It gives my hair immediate manageability. It's actually made with Jojoba Seed Oil. That is great at increasing your elasticity and reducing breakage. It has Argan Oil, and this is great for frizz protection and shine. This conditioner is great for all hair types and textures. Like I said, it's going to detangle with ease. You can leave it in, you can use it as a co-wash. And I love that it only takes 1 to 3 minutes for this product to even work. After rinsing out that conditioner, I'm gonna go in with my tools of choice. I'm using my wet brush and also my wet brush comb, all right? And I'm going to go in with the Texture ID Curls Styling Custard from the Curls line. So when it comes to any style that I'm using a gel, I like to thoroughly saturate my hair with water. I find that with gels, water is your best bet. It's going to give you the results you want, and we want ultimate definition. You can see the texture of this product is very loose, but it gives great shine to the hair. So I'm going to apply it throughout the section. If I need to detangle, I will do so. If I need to add more, I will do so as well. But I'm going to work that product in from ends to roots. And like I said, apply water where needed because the water is going to enhance your curls. You can see that definition I'm getting. Great curl plumpage. I'm actually going to go in individually and just twist some curls around my finger. That's going to make the curls pop even more. So what is great about the styling custard is that it reduces frizz and flyaways. It can shape and define the curls, and it has a flexible crunch-free hold. Also, this is a perfect option if you want a crunch-free, non-caking formula for your rod sets or twist outs or braid outs. Anything like that, this custard is very versatile. So I'm going to continue to repeat those same steps. I'm going to spray the section with water water, detangle with my detangling tools and my comb. All right, and then I'm going to add some of that custard, spray it with more water, and really define the curls. And I like to use the raking and smoothing method when it comes to gels or custard, because I find that I can disperse the product evenly throughout my strand. So I really do hope you guys are not tired of wash and goes. It is that time of the year where I find that wash and goes just work best. It's hot, it's humid. I don't care if my hair shrinks. I can get first day hairstyles. I love a good wash and go. Now, after I am done with this wash and go, I'm actually going to stretch and dry my hair. I'm not going to go into too much detail about stretching and drying. I have videos, a ton of wash and go videos showcasing how I do this method. I'm just going to use this ion blow dryer. I'm actually just going to use the concentrator nozzle to fully dry my hair completely and stretch the roots. Now, the reason why I am doing that is because I'm going to change the style just a little bit. It's not going to be your simple wash and go. All right, we're gonna jazz it up a bit by doing an updo. All right, so my hair is fully dried. All right, now I'm gonna actually part off a section in the front of my head, in the crown. I'm just gonna use a hair tie just to get the section out the way. Now I'm going to put the rest of my hair in the back into a high puff, all right, and create that updo, a wash and go updo. Now you can use Ouchless hairbands if you want. I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to get yourself some. That's going to be great at tightening the section, but also not causing you a ton of pain. All right, it's not going to do that. So I'm just creating the puff how I want to, and if you need to bobby pin it, do so. Make sure this puff is secure. Now for the last product from Texture ID, I actually love this edge gel. This is from their core line. It has aloe leaf juice and it has silk amino acids. I love the formula of this product. It's not greasy, it strengthens the hair, and it reduces breakage. You can see while applying this is just smoothing that section down. These are the type of edge gels I like. I don't need a super holding edge gel. I just need something that's going to be tacky enough to smooth and lay down my flyaways, all right? I am getting some new growth in the front, so this is perfect. It is doing the job I needed. I'm using this edge brush from Evolve. It's super soft bristles on it, and this is sculpting my edges just how I like. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of that edge gel in the back as well and brush it up just to get a more sleek and defined look. It's definitely not necessary. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to. And to complete the style, of course, I got my hair pick, and this one is actually from Tool Structure at Sally Beauty. It's a great small-handed pick, and I'm just going to pick from my roots straight up, okay? Because I want some height and some volume in this hairstyle. And the look is complete. A full wash to style using some Texture ID products. Very simple, very straightforward. It's not your everyday wash and go you always see. I jazzed it up by making it a updo. Let me know down below what you thought of this video. Do you give it a thumbs up? Please do so by clicking that thumbs up on the screen. Thank you all so much for watching and being very supportive. I really do appreciate this community we have. I really do love you all. Thank you so much, Sally Beauty, again for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.